How to use design blueprint in dark war survival. So in dark war survival, in order to use those design blueprint, let's see what design blueprint actually means. So design blueprint is a rare item upgrade used specifically for upgrading the modified vehicle. It is not needed for early upgrades of your vehicle. Only after a certain level do you require these blueprints to proceed. So when and how to use blueprints. So unlock the vehicle modification system, accumulate the required resources. So once you accumulate required resources, you'll be able to use those design blueprints. Apply the upgrade in vehicle or modified vehicle menu. Choose the part of where you wish, and then choose the part where you wish in order to upgrade those or use the blueprints. Also use the blueprints along with the other materials like alloy gear to complete the upgrade. So that will basically upgrade the vehicles and repeat and advance further. As you progress through high tier or higher level of vehicle parts, blueprint requires increase. Make sure you keep up the stock of blueprint and then ahead of reaching the level where they become required so you don't get stuck. So that's basically how you use design blueprint in this game. Hopefully this video helps.